So we're on the next stage of getting this garden bed ready. So as I was saying yesterday, we put leaves, twigs, branches and so forth in the bottom, and any green material if you wish. We had grass on the bottom here. We've mowed it. Some of it's been killed off because we've had to redevelop this bed and move it across to get our spacing all correct in our garden here, because we've changed some of our priorities. And so, you know, there are some people will probably put matting on the bottom or cardboard. I'd say try and put products that are biodegradable. You can use poisons if you wish, but at least the poisons are right on the bottom. Kill it off, or salts and so forth. And then obviously we're going up with the beds, we're raising the beds, so we're making raised beds, and your plants or veggies you're going to be planting in the beds are not touching those poisons, and those poisons over time will obviously will dilute. And then, so obviously, you know, we are doing organic farming within the bed, but if there are times that we need to kill off weeds and plants, we will, and that's only last sort of resort, and that's only so we can be more effective in our organic farming on top in our raised beds. Otherwise we will be potentially, some people will be doing a lot of weeding and taking out grass and so forth. So we've got some weeds that we've left, and so, you know, the other thing that we actually do is try and compact these leaves and the bottom materials, which the next material I'll show you is we actually use horse manure, the next layer I should say, and we try and compact those layers. And as time goes by, we get less weeds, and because we get more compaction at the bottom, but your top layers, we keep on putting more top layers on top, like compost and so forth. And we have to, if we have to, we aerate it a little bit, but we don't actually dig it and till it. If we dig, we're going to get weeds back. So these are just leaves from the front of the farm. We've got so many gum trees here, so we've got an abundance of brown matter. Rake them in, and we'll potentially have seeds. There's something plastic, we don't want that in there. There's potentially seeds and bits of grass in these leaves, but you know, we can't be 100%, and that's the thing with a lot of organic farming. It's either you use a little bit of chemicals at the start, get ahead, and then never use it after that, or just keep at it. And like, yeah, well, obviously we will have some weeds coming through with this, and we'll have to just keep at it. But the amount of time we spend on weeding is literally minimal compared to when we used to have the beds, well, the garlic growing on the ground, and we used to just we would do 3 weeks of weeding literally every day, and pretty much by the time you finish, you start again. Now we're doing about 200 to 300 square meters of raised beds, and we do them within an hour. Now we do that probably every 2 or 3 weeks. So we spend our time doing other stuff now. So the acidity from the leaves will help destroy some weeds that don't like acidity, but obviously there are some weeds that do love acidity. So they're the ones that we're pretty much will be combating over the next few months.